Hey guys, it's another how-to video. So I'm going to be showing you how I made this delicious egg stew. It is very simple to make and it tasted super good. The deliciousness of this recipe will make you consume it a whole week without minding. So now, let's begin. We are starting off with our protein. We are making use of chicken drum and thighs. Yes, some chicken drums and thighs. Now, wash it, transfer in your clean pot. Go on and season with some salt and your seasoning. Please, you're free to use any protein of choice, okay? Now, go in with your garlic and ginger powder or paste, whichever one you have. Now, go in with your mixed herbs. A teaspoon of it is fine. Afterwards, you stir it to well combine. Please, if this is your first time here, thank you so much for tuning in. Please go ahead and subscribe so you become part of us, okay? I promise you're not going to regret it. Thank you. This is called steaming process, so we're not going to add water now, okay? So after you're done stirring, go on and cover it up and allow to steam. Now, checking back after 2 minutes. This is how it is looking. So you give it another quick stir. Now we are going to introduce some water and continue cooking. As you can tell, it is not yet cooked. So we'll continue cooking until it is properly cooked, okay? Checking back after another 2 minutes. Guys, at this point, our protein is well cooked, ready. So you give it a nice stir and take it off the heat. I will be transferring it into my oven just to grill. You can deep fry if you do not have an oven. All right, now moving on. In a clean pan or same pot, same pan, go in with your vegetable oil, your dry thyme and dry rosemary. Now go in with your diced onions. As for the rosemary and thyme, a teaspoon of each is fine. All right, nicely stir and I'm going to allow to fry for a minute. This is us checking back after frying for a minute. It is time to introduce our fresh tomatoes. And here is our blended tomato pepper mix. Yes. So the thing is, I blended tomato, sweet long pointed peppers, scotch bonnet peppers, onions, ginger, and garlic together. All right. So this is what it comprises of. Another thing is that I use more of the fresh tomatoes. I didn't blend it that smooth, okay? Not completely smooth, but it's on you just to blend the way you prefer. All right, now transfer it into the pot. Stir to well combine and allow to fry. Yes, we're going to allow it to fry until the water is completely dry. Now, this is us checking after frying for 3 to 4 minutes. And at this point, it's almost dry. So let's get our eggs ready. Now, in a clean bowl, crack in reasonable amount of eggs. I used 8 eggs, okay? Now go in with your seasoning. I didn't add any salt. You can make do of salt and skip seasoning, but I prefer seasoning. All right, afterwards, you whisk. Give it a nice whisk until everything is well combined. So reason we added some seasoning to the egg is to make it come out tasty, okay? At this point, everything is well mixed. The next is to transfer it into our tomato, our fried tomato, yes. Now, use your spoon or your spatula to make holes, just like you're watching me do. And please, at this point, reduce the heat, okay? You're going to fry it on low heat. Once you're done, allow it to fry. This is us checking after frying for 2 minutes, guys. Go ahead and use your spatula to flip it to the other side, making sure that the eggs is well fried. Now we're going to fry some more. Please do not cover your pot throughout the frying process, okay? All right, now this is us chicken after frying for extra 2 minutes. At this point, our egg is well fried. Okay, look at how it is looking good. This is a must try recipe, so continue watching because you're going to make it and you will enjoy it, trust me. All right, now introduce your meat stock. This is our chicken stock. Okay, sieve it and pour it in, and it's going to be the only liquid we'll be adding into this recipe. If you want it more watery, go on and add more water, okay? But I'm not gonna do that because I want it a bit thick. Now go in with your blended scotch bonnet peppers, your seasoning, and salt. Now we are going in with a teaspoon of curry powder. Afterwards, you nicely stir. Make sure you do not over season or over salt your food, okay? Remember, we added seasoning to the egg, seasoning while steaming our protein. So now, if you're adding your seasoning, you make sure you add in the right portion, okay? Now it is time to introduce our protein. Yes, our grilled chicken. Go in with it and nicely stir. It is looking good already, guys. We're not done, almost. So after stirring, you cover it up just to simmer for a minute, okay? Here, I tested for salt and it's perfect. So guys, this is after a minute and we are checking. Look at how sumptuous our egg stew is looking. At this point, guys, it is ready. Now give it a nice stir. Shout out to my newest subscribers. Guys, welcome on board. And to my returning subscribers, guys, welcome back again. I really appreciate each and every one of you for all your massive love and support. Thank you, guys. I am grateful. Please, let's keep the comment, the likes, the shares coming, okay? Thank you, guys. At this point, please take it off the heat. So ready. And there you have it, guys. A delicious, mouth-watering egg stew is set. Look at this goodness, guys. Yummy. So delish. Please give it a go, okay? And also help me share it to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out. It's a must try. Now it is time to plate our dish. So you plate it with me, as always. We're going to be pairing it with some white rice, okay? Here comes our delicious egg stew. Guys, this stew is a must try. Try it out. A trial will convince you, okay? It tasted super good. Like you eat rice a whole week without complaining. We'll also be pairing it with some plantain. Yes, some fried plantain. And our food is set. Guys, I know you are salivating. I know. Don't worry, we are testing it together. So you go ahead and grab your spoon because it is testing time. This is lovely, heavenly. It tasted super good. It deserves a good head slapping, guys. Give it a go. You will enjoy it. In fact, I was eating it and completely forgot that I was filming. Honestly, that's to tell you how good this food tastes. All right, guys, thank you for joining me in creating this delicious meal. If you found it interesting, go ahead and like it, share it, and also subscribe if you have not subscribed. Until next time, bye-bye.